Hey friends, Winston and I here are doing some packing. You may have seen on my previous video that we finalized on a rental house in Charlotte. I posted a video tour of it, I'll link that. And so we're super excited. It's a beautiful house, it's across the street from a lake. And so yeah, today I want to show you what I'm packing up. Winston just jumped in the box, that's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Guess I'll pack Winston today. Oh, funny. Okay, so today I'm going to pack up this cupboard. This is a narrow cupboard beside the microwave above the stove. And I really don't use this stuff often because it's overflow. I have all my spices and stuff like that in my spice drawers, which I will show you again if you haven't seen them. And I just thought I could pack this stuff up because I won't be using it. These are my spice drawers. So they're full and, you know, it's well stocked right now. So the overflow cupboard can easily be packed up and I don't need to worry about it. I'm also going to pack up most of the stuff on these two upper shelves. Not everything, but most of it. I won't be baking that much before we go, so I can pack most of that up. I'm also going to pack up this little bin of cake decorating and cupcake supplies. It's a little bit messy, but I'll take these things out of the bin and pack it neatly in the box with all those overflow spices. So I'm gonna get started. I took everything out of that narrow spice cupboard, and as you can see now, it is empty. So I will wipe out those shelves and that cupboard will be done, as is the cupboard next to it. The cupboard above the microwave has been empty for months because I knew we were moving, just didn't know when. So yeah. And Winston just jumped out of the box and I just missed it. Here's some progress. I have one full box down here. I have one that can use a little more items. Stuff scattered here and there. And this cupboard up here, the narrow cupboard beside the microwave, is now empty. Yay! Okay, 2 boxes done. This cupboard looking pretty bare. Top shelf is empty. I'm continuing to pack. I've almost emptied this drawer. And this one is pared down to just the things I need till we move. I think I also pared this one down. No, I did not. That's my kitchen linens. This one is empty. Yay! An empty drawer. Woohoo! And over here, I also pared this one down quite a bit. So, making much progress. I think I can pare down a lot of my tea drawer and just keep out what I'm going to need till we move. So I might do that later or tomorrow. So progress. Thanks for hanging on with this day as I get packed up and ready to move. Today's Friday. I want to hop on here for a minute and show you some more moving progress. We donated our couch yesterday. We rolled up the rug that was on the floor. It's over in that corner. So this room, our living room, is very bare and it echoes. We put that table in front of the window to get it out of the way and rolled the coffee table over here. And Winston has claimed it as his own. So kudos to Winston. That's our moving progress. Gotta keep packing.